Hello, and welcome to connecting to a database using the IBM DB API. After completing this lesson, you will be able to understand the IBM DB API, as well as the credentials required to connect to a database using Python. We will also demonstrate how to connect to an IBM DB2 database using Python code written on a Jupyter notebook. The IBM DB API provides a variety of useful Python functions for accessing and manipulating data in an IBM data server database, including functions for connecting to a database, preparing and issuing SQL statements, fetching rows from result sets, calling stored procedures, committing and rolling back transactions, handling errors, and retrieving metadata. The IBM DB API uses the IBM Data Server driver for ODBC and CLI APIs to connect to IBM DB2 and Informix. We import the IBM DB library into our Python application. Connecting to the DB2 requires the following information: a driver name, a database name, a host DNS name or IP address, a host port, a connection protocol, a user ID, and a user password. Here is an example of creating a DB2 database connection in Python. We create a connection object, DSN, which stores the connection credentials. The connect function of the IBM DB API will be used to create a non-persistent connection. The DSN object is passed as a parameter to the connection function. If a connection has been established with the database, then the code returns connected as the output, otherwise the output will be unable to connect to database. Then we free all resources by closing the connection. Remember that it is always important to close connections so that we can avoid unused connections taking up resources. Thank you for watching this video.